to take a simulated test to practice, so I'm ready. I need a proctor. Mom, can you help me my proctor for my test tomorrow? Oh, my daughter is finally figuring it out, but I can't tomorrow. I have a full schedule. Can you ask Julie? Julie, can you help me with my test tomorrow? With what? Can you be my proctor for my SAT practice tomorrow? What do I do? Just stand in front of you? Kind of. You're gonna be monitoring me taking 4 sections. It's 3 hours of time. I just need you to check on my time. What time are you gonna start? 8:30, like the real test. Ugh, too early for me. No. Please, Julie. Okay, but only if you help me with my math homework until the end of the year. Wow, you're tough, but okay, you got a deal. Session 1 is for 65 minutes. I will set the alarm, and no cheating allowed. If you cheat, I get your shoes. How can I cheat? I'm alone. Session 1 starts now. I'm really glad I'm doing this. I feel like I'm getting used to the time now. Oh, hello? Yes, I'm taking a practice SAT. I'll call you back later. Hey, you are cheating. You can't ask your friend for answers. Okay, what are you, the SAT police? You really want my shoes, don't you? This is supposed to be a simulated practice test, right? No phones allowed. All right. Okay, time's up. Put your pencil down. So we're done, right? Don't forget, my math test is tomorrow. You promised you'd help me. Yes, I got you, all right? Thank you, Julie. That felt good. Really glad I did that. Felt like the real test. I think I'm ready.